Hey everybody, welcome back. I want to spotlight something a little different today. I've been working on a soundproofing project and I want to show you a little bit about how that's been going. What I have in my house is a basement bedroom. I built it 6 or 7 years ago for one of my kids. Kid's off to college now, comes home intermittently. I built it with the idea that I would turn it into kind of a soundproof recording studio. That day has come and I want to show you a bit how it's gone. So all I did was I bought 5/8 sheetrock and R30 fiberglass insulation to stuff up into the floor joists to insulate the ceiling. The second thing I did was buy soundproofing blankets from US Cargo Control. Their home base is actually like just right up the road from where I live. It's where I get all my trailer rigging equipment also. Good people. Soundproofing blankets from US Cargo Control, and hung them up around the bedroom, and this is what it sounds like. So here's a preview of what it sounds like when I play my drums without any soundproofing. Here's that same shot with soundproofing. Here's upstairs without soundproofing. Here's that same shot with soundproofing. One more time. Full disclosure, the camera that I used to record this was my cell phone, connected to a MOVO phone vlogging rig, and I didn't adjust any of the mic levels, no levels on like post-production, anything like that. Everything was exactly the same except maybe tiny adjustments in the camera placement as they were recorded on different days. So otherwise, all of the audio settings are exactly the same. So what you're hearing is the difference between just straight up before and after the soundproofing, the sound treatment was applied. I do think that I'll buy more so that I can do a second layer around the whole room. I think that would make an even bigger difference. I don't know, let me know what you think. Check them out, sound blankets from US Cargo Control, and a little bit of insulation in the ceiling. Thanks for being here. We'll see you guys next time.